The Universal Security Instruments 1204 Smoke and Fire Alarm is an integral safety enhancer in protecting families and homes from the many dangers linked to the presence of undetected smoke and fire. But when it's time to change your alarm, we believe the swap should be effortless. In this video, we'll be showing you step-by-step how to change out your USI-1204 for the recommended replacement Model 5304 USI Hardwired Ionization Smoke and Fire Alarm with battery backup. To uninstall your USI-1204, start by turning off the electricity to the smoke alarm circuit. Verify the power is off by checking that the green LED on the alarm is now off. Next, twist off the front of the USI-1204. If possible, disconnect the front of the alarm from the base. However, this step is not required. Next, unscrew the 1204 base from the ceiling. Do not remove the screws from the ceiling, as they will be used to mount the 5304. Once the screws are loose, twist the base off the screws and pull down the connected wire harness, exposing the wire nuts. Unscrew the wire nuts one at a time and place them off to the side. Once the wires are disconnected, finish removing the 1204. Now it's time to install the Model 5304. Inside the box of the Model 5304, you'll find a dust cover, a mounting bracket, and a quick connect wire harness. Before we get started, remove the dust cover from the 5304 alarm and discard. On the side of the 5304, you'll find a battery pull tab. Pulling the tab will initialize the alarm. Press the test button on the front to test your alarm. Start by installing the new Model 5304 mounting bracket onto the screws still in the ceiling. Next, take the quick connector and connect the corresponding wires to each other with the screw wire nuts. When done, push the AC wires into the electrical box. Now, plug in the quick connector to the back of the alarm. Be sure to snap the connector in tightly to make a solid connection. Finally, twist the alarm into place on the mounting bracket. Do not turn on the breaker until all of the alarms are connected. Once all installations are complete, turn on the breaker. Verify that the power light is on, and be sure to test the alarm. All alarms in the interconnected system should sound. Your Model 5304 is now fully installed. Be sure to follow the recommendations in the user manual and test your alarms weekly, as well as clean your alarms monthly. All alarms that are close to 10 years old should be replaced. You can find the manufacture date on the back of the alarm. For more information or to purchase a Model 5304 Hardwired Ionization Smoke and Fire Alarm with battery backup, visit www.universalsecuritystore.com.